Ever noticed your battery acting up? Maybe it's not charging, draining too fast, or just acting weird. Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you the 6 most common battery faults, how to spot them, and how to fix them safely. Let's start with fault 1, the battery isn't charging. You've got solar input, the charger's working, but the voltage won't go up. This might be caused by loose wiring or a faulty BMS in lithium packs. Check the wiring and terminals first. Under normal conditions, the battery should charge properly. If the issue continues, try disconnecting the battery or resetting the BMS. Fault 2, battery overheating. If your battery feels hot or you see a high temp warning, stop charging immediately. Overheating may be caused by overcharging, short circuits, or poor airflow. Keep your battery in a cool, shaded, and ventilated place. Fault 3, voltage imbalance in series packs. One battery might be weaker than the others, and it drags down the whole system. Use a multimeter to check each battery's voltage. If the voltage difference between cells is greater than 0.2 volts, you must balance the pack or replace the weak one. Using a smart BMS with balancing helps avoid this in the future. Fault 4, battery not discharging. Battery shows full, but no output. The inverter shuts down or gives a low voltage alert. Could be a blown fuse, BMS protection, or bad terminals. Please check the connections and manually balance the batteries using the official app. Replace the fuse if necessary, and then restart the inverter to test the output. Check the inverter fuse. Turn on the inverter. Discharging is functioning as expected. Fault 5, fast discharge or low runtime. This usually means the battery has aged or there's a hidden power drain. Use our official software, BMS Tools, run a real capacity test. If it's way below spec, you may need a replacement. Fault 6, swollen or leaking battery, and yes, that's dangerous. If the battery shows signs of flooding, swelling, unusual odor, or leakage, disconnect the power immediately. Wear gloves and follow locally waste rules to dispose of it safely. To diagnose these problems, here are some tools you'll need: a multimeter, screwdriver, and BMS debugging tool app. With these, you can check voltages, current flow, and cell balance easily. But always remember, safety first. Wear gloves and goggles. Never short lithium terminals. So here's a quick recap of the 6 common faults: not charging, overheating, voltage imbalance, not discharging, fast discharge, and swelling or leaks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you, and let us know your battery story in the comments.